Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, backup camera. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.